Hey, I'm Chloe, and welcome back to Mosaic in Minutes. Today, we're creating a smooth background parallax effect, just like this one. Okay, let's jump right in. First, I'll select this section right here. Then, over in the Style panel, let's give it a background image. Swap out the placeholder with the image you actually want. I'm going with this mountain shot. Very dramatic, love it. Now for the cool part, just enable the fixed option. And yep, that's literally it. Let's preview. As you scroll, the content moves, but the background stays put. It's a tiny change, but it instantly makes your layout feel more alive. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Mosaic tips, and I'll see you in the next one.